everyone. We're excited to share with you an amazing short hair cutting course at Erskine School of Hair and Beauty in London. This course not only teaches the technical skills to cut hair, but it will also give you a chance to discover the latest trends and techniques in the hair industry. If you're looking to level up your hair cutting skills, or simply want to learn something new, this short hair cutting course is perfect for you. With a strong focus on practical sessions led by industry experts, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to create stunning short hairstyles that suit various face shapes and styles. One of the best things about this course was the hands-on approach. The teachers are incredibly skilled and patient, ensuring that you not only learn the technical aspects but also develop a creative and artistic eye. Another great aspect of the course was the opportunity to network with other hairstylists and learn from their experiences. It will help you gain insights into the industry and understand the different roles that hairstylists play in a salon. So, if you're ready to take your short hair cutting skills to the next level, or simply inspired to create some stunning hairstyles by yourself, don't miss out on this amazing course. Sign up now at Erskine School of Hair and Beauty in London, and let this short hair cutting course guide you on your hair styling journey. Subscribe, like, share. Erskine's Training Academy, London.